Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Dwi Febrian. You can call me Febri. I study program Civic Education. It in the number 213129191. I will explain upon the English Journal Review Journal title The Role of Pancasila as a character shaper for Indonesia young generation in facing the fall of globalization. Research problem to find out how the influence of Pancasila follow on the younger generation of Indonesia as character shaping in facing globalization. The result obtained for this study are that the following of Pancasila are very influential on the character of the nation of Indonesia in facing the era globalization. There are also several of tension responded in implementing that form of Pancasila. Conclusion: Indonesia is a legal state is with all national and state-level government band forces in the country. Indonesia has an ideology, namely Pancasila, which is believed to be based at state will on the legal basis. Your suggestion for your article: it would be better if the author did not use variable later in the journal so that it was easy to understand every reader. The lack of the article, the study used an analysis description survey conducted for distribution questionnaire to several university journals. To journal title: Implementation of Political Education in Forming Character, Cross-Cultural Leadership in the Young Generation, Creating Pancasila Political Culture. Research problem, research motivation to research to educational process political organization by the organization GB and Charlotte who are considered to have been role in political life in Indonesia. Research effort viewing leadership character in an young generation. Leadership character cross-cultural is a character awareness answer in addressing the characteristic of the national of multicultural. Conclusion: politics education in the view of GB was Java answer in attempt to build leadership character in a young generation. Leadership character cross-cultural is a character awareness answer in understanding the character of the national, multicultural, and pluralist Indonesia shall be able to live national and stated namely Indonesia, civil social above Indonesia pluralism. Your question for it. The article, the author should govern the objective to research to have been character on the lack of the article. The journal use a lot of non-standard sentence in every journal writing. After analysis article, then the gap for the article political education is very important for your generation. To state live can be able participant responsible. Journal Leader Reform Pancasila and Citizenship Education to strengthen the nationalism of young citizens in area and the border area. Research problem: the purpose of the paper is the reformation Pancasila and citizenship education to strengthen citizen national youth in the border region. The result of the discussion and in the the for in directing student to have the competent suggestion for it article. It would be nice the article include an image or graphic present to make it easier to understand intervene for reading. Conclusion: National Institute is border region important study unit and Degree United Republic Indonesia. Pancasila education and citizens should be directed to the kernel of holistic understanding of the importance for placing local follow feel at the same time students to have global perspective to be able to come at the international stage. For journal title Pancasila as ideology, and characteristics civic education in Indonesia research problem. The purpose of this study is to prove that civic education in Indonesia is inseparable from the following of Pancasila. The result prove that civic education must be in accordance with Pancasila following in all aspects of citizen learner. Conclusion: civic education is a subject incarnate of how to form good citizen education. For its article, it would be nice if the article include images or representation to make easier to understand and interesting for reading. To like of the article, there is a ledger that is not untouched ability for early reading. 5. Journalism maintaining the essential for Pancasila and its application for society in the globalization era. Is a problem for that beneath Pancasila as the filter of globalization. The necessity of the civilian form of Pancasila is not just understanding this raising as just and proportion society will be realized if the Indonesia people continue in hatred and develop no never follow as treasure for the surgeon for in. Conclusion: Pancasila is the basis of the state and the way of life of the Indonesian nation. Education for article, it is better if the article is accompanied with a picture or graphics to make in interaction. The look of the article, the author just not matching that meets us. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.